Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Melissa, and welcome to my new kitchen. 2020 has been a crazy year for us all, but there's some good things, some sucky things, and some good things this year. But one of the good things is I recently moved. I've been in this house for about a month, and we've been unpacking and just getting everything situated. We live up in the mountains, and so we've had to get like firewood situated because winter's coming, and propane and all this crazy stuff. So I'm finally getting settled in, and I wanted to get back into making these videos for you guys, and I'm going to start with a simple one today. I've got a great money saving tip for you guys, so here we go. Alright guys, so what's my money saving tip in the kitchen? My tip is to stop buying these tiny little jars of your spices. These jars are about 2.3 ounces each, and these ones are about 1.5 each. And they are just costing way too much. These can cost you between $6 and $8 depending on the spice for just like under 2 ounces. It's crazy. So what I suggest instead is to buy your organic spices in bulk. I get them on Amazon or Vitacost, and you can get them a pound at a time, and they cost about $12 to $14 for a pound depending on the spice. And then I just get a nice big jar. I still have onion powder left over from last time, but I got my refills here of garlic and onion, and I also have some cinnamon from last time I bought a bunch of spices, and some paprika here. And like, when am I ever going to use all that? And it only cost me a few dollars more. So for just about twice the cost, you get 8 to 10 times more for your money. So that's pretty awesome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave some links down below where you can get some of my favorite organic spices in bulk on Amazon. And let me know in the comments below if you've got any money saving tips for me. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.